Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to export data with Salesforce Inspector. This is an incredibly useful tool that allows you to pull data directly from your Salesforce org without needing to navigate through Salesforce's standard export process, saving you time and giving you more control over what data you extract. First, open your Chrome browser and head over to chromewebstore.google.com. This is where you'll find all the extensions available for Chrome, including the one we need today. Once you're on the Chrome Web Store homepage, look for the search box at the top of the page. Type in Salesforce Inspector Reloaded and press Enter. This will bring up the extension we need to install. From the search results, click on Salesforce Inspector Reloaded. This will take you to the extension's detail page where you can read more about its features and see user reviews. Once you're ready to proceed, click the Add to Chrome button. This button is usually prominently displayed on the right side of the page. A pop will appear asking you to confirm the installation. Go ahead and click Add Extension. Chrome will now download and install the extension automatically, and you'll see a confirmation once it's complete. Now that the extension is installed, navigate to your Salesforce org by going to login.salesforce.com. Log in with your credentials if you aren't already signed in. Once you're inside your Salesforce org, look for the Salesforce Inspector icon in your Chrome toolbar at the top right of your browser. It typically appears as a small icon among your other extensions. Click on this icon to open the Salesforce Inspector interface. When the inspector opens, you'll see several tabs at the top. Click on the Data Export tab. This is where you'll be able to run queries and extract data from your Salesforce org in the query box. You'll need to type in a SailQL query. SailQL stands for Salesforce Object Query Language, and it's the language used to search your Salesforce data. For example, if you want to export contact information, you would type select ID, email, first name, last name from contact. This query tells Salesforce exactly which fields you want to pull from the contact object. Once you've entered your query, click the Run Export button. Salesforce Inspector will execute the query and display the results below. This might take a moment depending on how much data you're pulling. After the results appeared, you have a couple of options for how to save them. You can click Copy as CSV or Copy as Excel button below the results. This copies the data to your clipboard, and you can then paste it directly into Excel or a text editor. Alternatively, you can click the Download button to download the results directly as a CSV file to your computer. And there you have it, you've successfully exported data from Salesforce using Salesforce Inspector. This method gives you quick access to your data without the limitations of Salesforce's standard reports. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.